Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Speaker. My name is Tania. You're watching this series of lessons to be all you need to know, and I'm not kidding. In this series, we explore important and common English phrases with the verb to be, and we are taking it even further by adding prepositions to change their meaning. So let's dive in and master these phrases together. Today's lesson is all about be out. So the first meaning of be out is to be absent. Be out means to be absent for a short period of time from your place of work or where you live. For example, she's out right now. She's not at home or she's not at work. Or someone called when you were out. Someone called when you just went away and returned during this period of time. Then be out also means not to function. Not to function. For example, after yesterday's storm, the power is out. After yesterday's storm, the power is out. So no electricity. Or why is the internet out all of a sudden? Why is internet not working? Also, be out means something that is no longer an option. It's no longer a choice. For example, Lana doesn't want Chinese, so that option is out. Yeah, so this option is not an option anymore because she doesn't want Chinese. Or if that candidate has a criminal record, he's out. That means that he cannot take part in the elections, for example. Also, be out means to be available to public. We use it when we talk about a book, a TV show, a movie, a new album of your favorite singer or band. For example, I can't believe Ed Sheeran's new album is finally out. So it's available to public and now I can listen to it. Or You is out on April 24th. You is a famous TV show, so I'm personally waiting for it to be out, to be available to the public. Also, when something is out, it's no longer a secret. Everyone knows about your second family. The secret's out. It's no longer a secret. That's it. Then when something is visible in the sky, like the sun or stars, it is out or they are out. For example, the sun is finally out after all those rainy days. Or the stars are out tonight. Be out also means to be released from jail. For example, I can't believe he will be out in just a few days. The person cannot believe that someone will be released from prison so soon. Or the convicted killer is out after just 2 years in prison. So the convicted killer was released from jail, from prison. Also, be out may mean to be asleep. For example, please be quiet, the kids are out. The kids are sleeping. Next one is be out of. Be out of. Mind the pronunciation. When we see OF with one F, it is pronounced as of, be out of. And it means to no longer have something because it is used up or finished. For example, we are out of bread. We don't have any bread. Or we are out of petrol. The car won't start. Yeah, we don't have petrol, so the car would not go. Then be out for something or be out to do something mean the same thing. That's why I united them. Be out for something, we need a noun, and be out to do something, we need the to infinitive. Be out to do something. It means to do something or intend, want to do something, often for an unpleasant reason or because it benefits you. For example, he's out for revenge. He's trying to get revenge. I'm out for a walk. I went outside to walk. It's beneficial for me, yeah? Or James is out to get you. You have to run. James wants to find you. He wants to do something to you. All right, now let's practice. You're going to see the dialogues and your task is to fill in the gap with the correct phrase. The first one. She's out. She's out. Not inside the place. Number 2. He's out for blood. He's out for blood. See, like intend to do something. Number 3. We are out of coffee. We're out of coffee. No coffee. We don't have any coffee. The next one. The power's out. The power's out. Yep. Not functioning. Number 5. She's out. She's out. She's sleeping. Yeah, she's sleeping. And the last one. No, they're out. They're out. They're no longer fashionable. They're out. So how did you do? Did you do well? I'm actually sure that you did. Good job. And I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. And if you did, like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend or a family member. That's it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!